Okay, June 1st, I'm gonna need you guys to hold me accountable for doing a follow-up to this video right here. And I'll get to that in just a second. Over the course of the past several months, we have done a lot of expansion to our shop, to our in-house capabilities here at Mr. Postman Print Shop. And it goes without saying that before you can justify purchasing equipment, you really should have the volume of work to justify it. Before you hire additional employees, because employees are your number one expense in any business really, you really need to be able to have the amount of work to justify purchasing equipment, having the equipment in place before you hire the employees. So it all comes together. So for the past several weeks or a few weeks, we have had a guy here that has a lot of sign shop experience. He's here on a trial run, but his trial run is coming to an end very soon. So he's handling our production for us, getting things printed, getting things trimmed, getting things out the door. And so it's been a big help having this person around. So I think it's going to be a permanent thing for us. We also, my biggest hang up right now is customer service, because when I am out of the office doing window installations, which we're doing a lot of right now, that means I'm not at the shop making estimates, creating invoices, calling customers to pick up their order, all those things. Chelsea has been a huge help with that, but she is so busy with graphic design, she's got to stay busy with that. So we have hired a customer service person. They're on their way as well. So between those four things, the shop is going to be running so much more smoothly. I honestly believe it. And I really believe that the customer service person keeping estimates rolling forward, keeping projects rolling forward, and us not having dead periods where, you know what, we got all this production done, but look at all these estimates we got to do. If those would have been done, we'd be ready to do the next thing. So I don't want to get caught in that situation in the future. I think that position is going to more than pay for itself and make us more responsive to our clients via email, via phone calls, via when they walk in the door, via Facebook Messenger, all those things. People like to contact me, and I'm probably the worst person in the world to contact at this office because I'm usually out and about installing stuff. Tomorrow is May the 1st, and in the month of May, I have created the May 2023 Daily Completed Project Log book. And the purpose of this book is really a financial tool for everybody in the office. This is a shared book for everyone in the office. We're gonna have it in a centralized location, and it's gonna keep us all aware of what we really need to do on a daily basis around here, because it's so easy to get complacent. And I've told my team we have to be vigilant about keeping this business moving forward. Like we can't take a day off and be like, oh wow, today was a great day. Like, because you do that and all of a sudden you're behind really, really quickly. Adding employees means our overhead has gone up significantly. Not just that, my salary, which was previously coming out of my marketing firm, is now coming out of this company. So it's gone up quite a bit. We now need to make $52,800 a month just to make it. It's a lot of money, which breaks down to, in the month of May, there are 22 work days. Not counting Memorial Day, 22 work days. So that is $2,400 a day that we need to make in the month of May. So what I've done, I've created this booklet on my own digital press. So impressed by that. And what this has, move it to May 1st, tomorrow. We have 3 columns here. So we have one for signs, client, project, the value. We have one for printing, client, project's value. And then we have one for screen printing and sublimation, clients, project, value. And so at the end of the day, that gets totaled. And then the grand total goes right here. You can see I already have $2,400 that has to get made in the month on that day, $2,400, May 1st. That's what we got to reach. Right here is gain or loss. So how much are we over the goal or how much are we under the goal? Okay. On a daily basis, just projects that are coming out the door here that don't require us going out and doing like window installations, it's going to be hard for us to reach that number on a daily basis. So what I'm expecting is we're going to fall short of that number a lot, but we're going to have those days where we do get a window perf installation done for a school, and that's going to put us kind of over the edge a little bit. So we have a spread for each day of the month. In the very front of the book, this is our daily sheet. So we have Monday, May the 1st, and it has all the days here. So, 22 days. Completion value for the day. Here's our daily goal that's already entered there, $2,400. Our daily gain or loss. Our monthly gain or loss, so this will just be a ledger that's gonna show us how up or how down we are so far in the month. And then our monthly tally of income will show how much we have brought on to see till we get to that ultimate goal right there. So anyways, this is just a tool that I really hope is gonna make it easy for me to kind of track things. Yeah, I use QuickBooks and all that, and I can pull profit and loss statements and all that. But seeing this on paper, I think is gonna help tremendously. And this being accessible to everybody here in the building and us going over this every single morning and every single afternoon, I think is going to make our team very aware, and I think it will help. But we'll see. June the 1st, I want to do a follow-up video on this, on the progress. If I don't have it, you guys better harp on me about, hey, where's that follow-up video? I want to see how this went during the month of May. So anyways, let me know what you think about this. I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. I just thought of something that needs explanation. The $52,400 a month we need to make is assuming that we are operating with a 50% profit margin, which is a 100% markup, 50% project margin. So far in the month, so far this year, we're operating with a 70% profit margin. So, and I came out with a video in January talking about how I need to increase my profit margin. We've done that. So far, it's been about 70%. I'm not saying it's going to remain that, but if we hit that $52,000 mark and our profit margin is at least 50%, we're good to go. If our profit margin is 70%, even better. Worth explaining. Thank you guys for tuning in. Keep me accountable. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.